Now, some intense efforts for delivering the expert lecture as well as recording it with clarity. So that is why it has taken some more time. But we come to the conclusion that we can now start our session. So today we have invited Professor Himanshu Rakholiya sir. He is the center manager of CDIAC, that is Center for Development in Automation and Control in the SASIST college. He is head of department as well as the training and placement coordinator in the SASIST college, Surat. He has expertise in IoT, Arduino, KVM, AVR, ARM7, and such latest technologies. So he has a great experience and also providing training to the students in their institute. So looking at it, we have invited him for this expert lecture, and I am confident that you will be getting benefit from this. So I welcome Professor Rakholiya sir to this. Problem.
Okay, so good morning to all. અવાજ પાછળ સમજાય છે ને પાછળ લાસ્ટ. Okay, so our today's session is on IoT. Okay, so sir has explained about what I am doing. So I am your volume students, first day students of GC Surat, the college which is started from 2004. So I am the first students as well as alumni students of GC Surat. Okay, so there are lots of scope as an electronics engineer, but you have to patiently work and improve your skill. Skill is the main part to work in any multinational company, either in India as well as abroad. So lots of our students are working in Siemens, Reliance from our GC students. Siemens also our students from the pass out from EC. LM Bradley, LNT. Okay, so today's demand in industry is IoT. If you have knowledge of IoT, so lots of scope in automobile sectors, biomedical instrument company, biomedical field. Okay, so here I will explain, I will motivate you, but I will not make you expertise how you can develop IoT based product. It takes a 6-month process to become expertise as an IoT engineer, embedded software engineers. Okay, as well as you can work as a software engineer also. So we'll start from basic to depth knowledge which are required by industry, and what is IoT, and which type of project you can develop, and which project already developed in industry, which is related to IoTs. Okay, so our session is divided into these three parts. First, I will explain what is CDX, Center for Development in Automation and Control, and why, what is the advantage, why we have started this center. So this is a one center of excellence. So all of you know what is center of excellence? Anyone can give me the idea what is center of excellence? So it is a one type of center, training center, where you will get training related to industry, which is going on, latest technology, which is going in industry. That type of training you will get from this type of center. So that is called center of excellence, where R&D activity is going on. So this is the purpose of center of excellence. In our GTU also we have a center of excellence automation, where you will learn the technology which is used in industry. So next we will discuss about IoT, and third part is what are the skills required by industry. Okay, so daily I will get 3 to 4 calls from industry. I require embedded software engineer, which know this IoT knowledge as well as microcontroller programming knowledge. Okay, so lots of demand, but nowadays there is a no one. I will not get the proper skilled engineers to supply to the industries. So lots of demand in Surat also. Daily I will get the calls, but skilled person is not. I will not find proper skilled person. Okay, so you require some skill improvement program. So this type of center will helpful to improve your skill, and you can get proper job, proper professional jobs. So our center is having some vision and mission, right, to provide quality training and become proper successful engineer as well as entrepreneurs. This is our vision, and mission is we have to provide latest technological knowledge to the participants. Okay, so our center is established at 2016 by IIT Professor Natraj sir, which is from IIT Bombay. So inaugurated on 16 September 2016. Okay, so these are the some training programs which are running on their photographs you can see. Also various sessions we have delivered. So the center is also visited by GTU Vice Chancellor Dr. Naveen Seth, and some person is from USA also. This person is from USA. So we have various resources based on training we are providing based on PLC, SCADA, HMI drives, and embedded systems. Various microcontrollers training we are providing. So these are the photographs of training center. So Center of Excellence is established to get proper technical knowledge to the students so that student can work in industry without training, because in industry no one is giving you training. Okay, student industry will need person. If I give a task to you, so you have to solve their problems. So industry doesn't have time to give you the training. Okay, so you will get practical knowledge from this center. So after getting training, the industry and academia gap you can reduce. So directly you will get or recruited in highly professional industries after getting training. And our center is also doing some consultancy project. Industry problem, we are also solving industry problems. We take the project from industry and solve it at our centers. So outcome of the center is I have to make students employable as well as entrepreneurs. The main task of to become an entrepreneur is first you must have the skill. If you have proper skill and managerial knowledge, then you can become entrepreneurs. So without skill, you have to fail if you become entrepreneurs. Okay, so these are the various things that you will get after proper getting training or proper getting skills. So during Corona time, we have developed one hand sanitizer machine, automatic hand sanitizer machine that is developed at our center. So these are the another model, various 3 model we have developed. So suppose this is the video. CD થોડો આડો વિડીયો આવે છે પ્લે થાય છે. So touchless hand sanitizer machine is developed at our center. So this is the hand sanitization gate. So I play this video. Sound is blipping once you enter the gate. Okay, so this is the hand sanitizer body, full body hand sanitization gate. You can see this is close. So here sprinkler are there, sprinkling. Sprinkling, you can see the effect. So next project which is develop bottle filling plant. Biomedical field in pharmacy, we have a 10 mm bottle, 5 mm bottles. So it is difficult to fill by hand manually. It is very difficult and takes more time. So we have developed this project for pharmaceutical industry, bottle filling plant. So first step during development time, here liquid dispenser. So initially liquid is come out from the dispenser. So next model. So here we have a sensor. This is sensor, and this is the valve. 400 valve is there. The bottle is present, liquid is dispensed, and based on timer application. Okay, so we have calculated and calibrated the liquid. So how much time it takes to fill 5 mm, 100 mm. Based on that, you can on the valve. So based on timer application, we have developed this bottle filling plant. So these are the various liquid selection. You can select from HMI which type of liquid you have to fill in the bottles. So if you change the liquid, you have to calibrate first for 100 mm. 100 mm liquid you have to fill and calculate the time. And based on that, proportionally you have to fill any amount of liquids. So here the HMI is, here you can see how much bottle you have to fill, that you have to set here. So 22 bottles, then you can start the conveyor belt from HMI. Also you can start and stop from this physical button. Here we have a stop button and fill bottle. How many bottle is filled? That is display here. Suppose 2. So 1, 2, and then it will stop. Here valve color will change if it is open, green color. Conveyor belt is rotating. So how much mm you have to fill, that you have to select, and manually also you can select 101 mm. So that type of strain we have developed. For this project is already running in Hakim Chichi Pharmacy. Hakim Chichi Pharmacy, we have made this project. So this is the DCS panel, distributed control system panel of Fob Master Company, which is required in very big industry. Suppose Sumul dairy plant, so they require DCS. This type of panel is present. So these are the some robotic based training program. So our next part is what is embedded system. So all of you know you are studying from fifth semester, or seventh semester, and sixth semester also. You have to know about microcontroller. So embedded system is combination of hardware and software. So there are two types of embedded system. One is standalone and second one is network enabled embedded system. So anyone know what is standalone? Anyone can give me the idea about standalone embedded system? So IoT is the subset of embedded system. Okay, IoT is nothing but a embedded system. So there are two types. One is standalone. Standalone means the device which cannot communicate with other devices. That is called standalone. Means initially whatever printer you are getting, older printer, which is standalone device. At that time it cannot communicate with other devices like mobile phones. But nowadays printer is network enabled. So printer can be connected with your mobile phones. You can take print from mobile phone. So printer is network enabled embedded systems. So network enabled embedded system in which you use internet. So that is called IoT. IoT is the subset of network enabled embedded systems. So IoT is also a embedded system in which we have a hardware plus software part. So now it is clear what is standalone embedded system. Nowadays, 99% systems are network enabled embedded systems. Mobile phone is also network enabled embedded systems, printers, washing machine, refrigerator, air conditioners. Now you can control from your mobile phones. IoT based lamp is available, so it is also network enabled. And nowadays in automotive sectors, car is also network enabled embedded systems. So which are the features are present in car IoT based? Different more than 60 features you can control in car from mobiles. Airbag is connected with ECU. Airbag, when speed, you can monitor the speed by mobile phone. Track the car using mobile phones. So these are the different systems used in automotive sectors. So nowadays, most of the features, most of the things in car is electronics, and which is IoT based. So if you purchase car, so it will give you Kia based application, Maruti Suzuki based IoT applications. You can control and start the car from mobile phone also. Control the AC from mobile phone. So this is IoT based features. Okay, so if you purchase higher model of the car, you will get IoT based connectivities. So network enabled embedded system is IoTs. So anyone know another applications of IoT where you have seen application of IoT? In healthcare sector, massage chair. So massage chair is also connected with IoT network. In foreign country, you have to scan the QR code and pay the amount. Then your massage chair will run for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. After that, balance is complete. Then massage chair will stop. Okay, so amount is deducted from your bank and it on once they will receive the payment. Okay, so our students is also working on that type of project. So which is connected with cloud. Another application, if you want to change the rate of the massage chair for hours, 1 hour suppose 500. If you want to change into 5,000 per hours, then you can use OTA technology. OTA means over the air. Through wireless connectivity, you can update the firmware. This program you can change. No need to going to different places to upload or change the programs. Okay, you have to, one master user is there that will upload the file. So all the receiving station will receive the code. So that is called OTA. Have you heard this word OTA? OTA over the air. In if you purchase car also, so your map updated, map features. Map is updated by OTA. It's over the air. Over there, new software is updated on map. Google Map is also updated. So if you see the specification of car, so this feature is available OTA on over the air update. So many machineries also nowadays converting into standalone device to IoT based device. So in diamond industry, in Surat we have lots of diamond machinery. So diamond machinery are day by day increasing, and humans are not interested to make the polishing diamond. So robots are present. You have to insert the rough stone. So robot is automatically make the diamond shape. Yeah, so different machinery are available. So cutting machine, planer machines, then inclusion machines. All the machines are electronic machines. So within 5 days, before 5 days, one machine, cutting machine are updated. We are on the over-the-air updates. Means there is a one machine is in Mumbai, one machine is in Bhavnagar. So different city and different state machines are present. Okay, so they have developed one program based on Node MCU microcontroller. So nowadays they have to sit in Surat city and upload the program. So all the machines are updated with newly programmed. So these features are added. So machines are converted from standalone to network enabled embedded systems. So lots of scope in industry. So whatever machines are present nowadays, which is standalone, that you convert into network enables. So if you see the display also, in petrol pump you have a display. The petrol rate is this. So initially it is wired. Nowadays it is wireless. Wireless network enable. You have to type command from Android application. Rate of the petrol you can change and submit. So newly rate is available. So which is also wireless. Have you seen the? So you can reduce the number of wires, and you can update display rate by reducing traveling. Traveling cost is reduced, wiring cost is reduced. So your system become low cost systems and easy to use. So these are the various benefits of IoTs. Okay, so petrol pump display. So one of my students is already done this type of project, updating the petrol pump display rate through IoTs. And nowadays you can see the marketing display. You can change the image change the image. No need to print the glossy image. You have to change the image. So display will change that photographs. Scrolling. Digital display. Have you seen digital display board? Digital display board. Have you seen? Digital display board. So you can change any images or videos using Android applications and submit. So from internet, it can download it. So these are the various applications of IoT. So in biomedical field, in village, if you want to see ECG waveform, ECG, then the doctor which is present in city, they can monitor the heart rates, ECG graphs, and diagnose the patient from remote stations. So lots of application you can develop. So non standalone device you can convert into network-based device. So now if you want to do this type of project, IoT based project, so if you want to modify standalone system into network based system, so what you require? You require in hardware side, you require Node MCU, ESP32, which is low cost microcontroller device. It has inbuilt Wi-Fi, inbuilt Bluetooth. All these facilities available. You can use Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi. Next is Raspberry Pi. You can use Raspberry Pi, which is a debit card size computers, mini computers, Raspberry Pi. So it is a costly device, 4,000, 5,000 price. But nowadays, due to semiconductor demand, so price is nowadays 10,000 to 15,000. Price is 150% increasing. So shortage of semiconductor, price is now 10,000. Now, but it is available before 3 years, 4,000. So software you can use, one software is Arduino software. Another software you can use, which is VS Board. For industry purpose, for your college purpose, you can use Arduino, some testing purpose. But in industry, if you want to develop IoT-based project, so industry will use VS Code as a IDE, integrated development environment, to develop IoT-based project. So in VS Code, you can use Windows OS or you can use Linux OS. So in industry, person will use Linux OS to compile the program which is developed in VS Code. Which OS is better for if you want to develop professional programmers? So you have to use VS Code, Linux OS. Why? Because in Windows-based OS, it takes more time to compile. The last. So this is very important point. If you powerful and develop some program in this type of software, so you get 100% recruitment. So you try to develop your project or study in Linux-based OS and develop and compile your program on IoT with VS Code. So industry will use VS Code and Linux-based OS. So benefit is compilation time is very less. It compile within 1 or 2 seconds. But if you use Windows OS, so it takes 1 minute, 2 minutes. If your program is very bigger, then it takes 5 minutes also to compile your program. In industry, we have to develop the program and product with less time. Otherwise, if we time to market is very important. We can develop the product and release in the market very fast. Otherwise, any other competitor will develop it and they can market. And then whatever time we have invested, that is totally lost. Okay, so to develop your product very fast and release in the market very fast, you have to use VS Code software as the IDE and which OS you have to run? Linux OS. Ubuntu OS is open source OS, Ubuntu Linux. So this type of OS you have to use. And you have a good command in the languages. To write the program, you must aware with depth knowledge of C, C++ programming and Python programming. So these are the industrial requirements. You must powerful in C, C++ and Python programming. Then you can easily develop. So in C, C++, you must be aware with pointer structures. Powerful knowledge is required. Okay, so if you want to develop IoT-based project, so lots of pointer are used. So pointer, main advantage of pointer using pointer is you can optimize your program. Optimize your program means your size of the program is very less if you use pointer. So you can use less number of variables once you write the programs in using pointers. And data structure is used to handle your data very efficient manner. To handle data very efficient manner, we have to use data structures. So you must also powerful in data structures. Pointers. This is very important point in C language and C++. Okay, so these are the things that you have to improve to develop your own project based on IoTs. So these are the various types of IoT modules, ESP8266. IC uses ESP8266. So first module, which is ESP01. So these are the different versions, 1, 2, 3, and ESP12. So latest version is ESP12, which is present in Node MCU. Node MCU ESP32. We have a ESP32. Latest controller which is present. After ESP12, we have a ESP32, latest version, and which is present in one development board that is called Node MCU. Node MCU is nothing but a one development board, in which ESP32 is present. Microcontroller is ESP32. So here in ESP01, you have a limited input outputs. Only 2 input outputs are present. Input output is how many? Total 2 input outputs. So if you open IoT based lamp, so this IC is present, ESP01. If anyone is having one IoT lamp, you can open it. So you will get this IC, ESP01 IC. Okay, then Google dot no speaker, which speaker dot Amazon speaker. Text to speech, you have to speak and it will play the song. Amazon dot, have you heard the name? Amazon dot. Alexa. So Alexa is also one IoT based application. Alexa speakers. So ESP01, have you seen ESP01 physically? So 2 device you can control. So only if you want to control lamp, then we have to use ESP01. No need to go use another higher version. So number of higher version will increase the number of input outputs, memory will increase, but programming remains same. Have you seen ESP01 modules? જોયેલું છે કે નથી જોયું ક્યારે ફિઝિકલી? હા તો હું બતાવું તમને. Okay, so this is ESP01 modules. AR total number of pins is 8 pins. So 2 pin is ground and supply, 2 IO pins, and other remaining pin is programming pins. We have for RX and TX pin. So this is ESP01 modules. Here antenna is present, antenna. So inside there is a Wi-Fi plus microcontrollers. So small module you can use if you want to control one or two input outputs. So if in lamp this module is used, you can if you have a lamp then you can open it and you can see this type of module. So this is ESP01. If you want to control more devices, so we have a latest module which is ESP12. This is the development board, not MCU. This node MCU is present here, node MCU. So number of input outputs is here more than 14 input outputs. This more than 14 device you can connect. So here, what are the advantage here? Bluetooth is present here. In ESP01, no Bluetooth. 01. Now this is not MCU, ESP32. So inside there is a Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi plus microcontroller. So these are the benefits. So that is called SOC. What is SOC? System on chip. So SOC is present here inside. So lots of requirement as a SOC engineer in a VLSI-based company. So if you powerful in C, C++, then easily you can divert into SOC design engineers as well as verification engineers. You can work in Qualcomm, Intel's as a verification engineers. So if you are powerful as an embedded software engineer, then usually you can switch to the SOC design engineers. So in future, nowadays, lots of requirement. As SOC engineers, SOC and verification engineers. If you want to design hardware, then you must be powerful with Verilog language, Verilog. Okay, so you will get package more than 18 lakhs plus as a VLSI design engineer or SOC engineer, 18 lakhs plus starting package. So one of my students is working in Qualcomm company as a verification engineer. A package is 32 lakhs per year. So these are the demands, but you must powerful as in C and C++ languages. Then and Linux. So industry, all they are using Linux OS. They are not using Windows. Okay, so these are the scope in multinational company. What environment you have to use. Okay, so all of you know about Node MCU now. Node MCU, which is having a ESP32 IC, SOC IC. SOC means system on chip. All the things are present inside this IC. Microcontroller, Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth. So this is a Node MCU. So you can use this board for IoT based project. This is a low cost, 400, 450 rupees you will get it. Okay, so these are the various pins. So no need to, I have not time to explain all these things, but I will give and motivate you how you can change your life and how what you have to do if you want to get proper professional jobs in industry. So next one is IoT hardware. Next IoT hardware is Raspberry Pi. So similar whatever version we are having in ESP32, similar version is here present in Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi 1, 2, 3, 4 and Raspberry Pi 4A, 4B. So this is the latest model, Raspberry Pi 4B. It is a mini computers and dual display. You can see, so two user can work with this these computers. So user one, user two, different. They both are having a different user ID password, different desktop. So simultaneously you can work. Dual display means there is no need of two computers. Two user can simultaneously work with different applications. One will using internet, another is using a VLC player. Okay, so here there are two HDMI port to display, two different display. HDMI, this is mini HDMI. Nowadays, mini HDMI is present. Similarly, nowadays, which type of USB port is present in latest phone and computers? USB Type C. So nowadays, HDMI, new version is present, mini HDMI. So latest model is having a mini HDMI. Raspberry Pi A, B, they are having a version A, no, bigger version of HDMI port. So nowadays, mini HDMI port. So this is USB Type C is used to charge the Raspberry Pi. So minimum requirement is 5 volt and 5 amperes. More ampere is required to charge to run this Raspberry Pi 4 IoT device. So these are the IC processor which is developed by Broadcom company. So and these are the RAM IC. This is SoC, system on chip. So in this IC, and this is Wi-Fi IC, Wi-Fi. So RAM is available. So in a Raspberry Pi, RAM is available with different RAM specification: 1 GB RAM, 2 GB, 4 GB, 5 GB, 4 GB, and 8 GB RAMs. So you can select. Similar when we are purchasing mobile, you have to select different RAM requirement. So if RAM is more, your price will increase. So you can connect. This is 4 USB port. Or 2 USB port is USB 2, USB 2.0, and remaining 2 port is USB 3.0. So you can connect wireless mouse, wireless keyboard, or pen drive. So you can connect with this USB port. USB camera also you can connect. USB camera. So camera slot is also present here. You can connect the camera as well as connect the display. Touch display also you can connect. So whatever POS machine have you seen POS machine in mall? POS machine are present. POS, point of sale machine. You can scan your credit card. Then payment display is present. So it connected with Wi-Fi. So inside this Raspberry Pi IC is present. Wi-Fi is present, microcontroller is present, and scanner display is connected, keypad is connected, and these are the GPIO pins, 40 GPIO pins. Means you can control any machine by connecting your display, computer display also, touch display. Also there is GPIO pins, general purpose input output pins. So you can work as a microcontroller as well as it can work as a computers. So dual purpose you can use it. So in industry, no need to use general computers, no need to purchase. Only you have to use this Raspberry Pi. So it work as a microcontroller as well as it can work as a general purpose computer. So you can use internet, you can play videos, all the thing is available. For that you have to install which software is required. Raspberry Pi OS. No, you require Raspberry Pi OS to install in this software. So initially this software is known as Raspbian. Before 6 months, the OS is known as Raspbian, but now it is updated OS and now name become Raspbian OS, Raspberry Pi OS. So Raspberry Pi OS is required to do the IoT based project on Raspberry Pi. You can also mirror the image. If you don't have image, then you have to enter the IP address. You can see the screen on your mobile phone also. So all the screen is available on your mobile phone. So mobile phone work as a wireless screen, wireless mirroring. So this type of possibility is also present, wireless mirroring. So main application of IoT is automations. So what is automations? Automation is auto plus motions. Auto means self and motion means moving. Okay, so using IoT application, you can control any machine from your mobile phones. Nowadays in textile industry, IoT based all the machines, Jacquard machine are IoT based machine. Initially, the Jacquard machine is standalone machine. Means you have to, whatever design you develop in software, you have to insert it in the pen drive. The pen drive is inserted into the machines. Then you have to select the design and you have to start the machine from that locations. But nowadays, Jacquard machine are IoT based. So you have a design in your mobile phone. You have to select the machine number and insert the design, and you can start the machine from using your mobile phones. So in that Jacquard machine also, ESP, Raspberry Pi, and ESP32 are used. If you visited the textile industry and see the Jacquard machine, so yes, either you can found ESP32 or either Raspberry Pi. Well, so in textile industry, there are 200 machines are there, 200 machines or 500 machines. So you can upload design using Android application through IoTs. Well, so and machine will start automatically then, and once your design is finished, then it will stop. So these are the various applications. One application I have seen, OTA, over the air update. You can, if there is a change in the program, if program is updated, then you can update that program through wirelessly. No need to going to that locations. So diamond industry, one example I given to diamond industry, second textile industry. Similarly, automobile industry, you can update the software, whatever software is present inside the car, you can update through wirelessly. So you can say nowadays each and every sectors use the IoT. Automobile, pharmaceutical sector, diamond industry, textile industries. So there are main three criteria for automation. One is production we can increase. A machine will run 24/7. Then quality we can get same quality in using automations. For example, suppose color. If you want a color shade, light green color. So machine, you have to select the color. So machine will add a combination of RGB colors and will get, suppose today you purchase a light green color. So day after tomorrow, if you purchase color and color the walls, so you will get same shade. પેલા શું હતું મેન્યુઅલી આપણે કલર લેવા જઈએ ને, આજે જે કલર લીધેલો હોય કાલે કલર લેવા જઈએ તો શેડ ચેન્જ થઈ જાય. ખ્યાલ આવે છે? તો અત્યારે તમે કલર શેડની દુકાન જશો ત્યાં પણ ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક્સ બેઝ મિક્સિંગ મશીન આવી ગયું, આરજીબી કલર એડ કરે. હા, પેલા મેન્યુઅલી શું થતું, કલર આપણે એડ કરવા જઈએ તો ક્યારેક પ્લસ ઓર માઇનસ થઈ જાય કલર, એટલે કલરમાં વેરિએશન આવી જાય. હા, so color shade you will get different color shade using machine, so quality will increase. Suppose Parle-G biscuit, if you eat before 3 days, before 1 year, and if you today eat it, so combination of weight and salt and sugar is same before 3 years. Manually જો થાય તો શું થાય, ક્યારેક sugar વધારે થઈ જાય, quality change થઈ જાય. So you can increase the quality and you can reduce the cost, because machine will run automatically 24/7. Okay, so lots of these are the various benefits of automation and IoTs. So no need to discuss other. So IoT comes into which revolutions? Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is the era of IoTs. What is the first revolution? In first revolution, all the machinery are operated with steam engines. Steam engine, first revolution. Second revolution, electricity comes. Coal-based plant, electricity revolution. Third revolution, computers. Computer are connected with machine. Through computer, you can operate the machines. Third revolution is computer, and fourth revolution is IoT. Means through wirelessly you can control and monitor the machines, and artificial intelligence. These are the fourth revolution. So today, industry are converting from industry 3.0 to industry 4.0 to survive in the market, industry must be converted into 4.0. So I have given the so many examples. In diamond, machines are also converting into IoT side. Then another example, display, digital display. Okay, textile industry are also converting from standalone device to IoT based device. So these are the various application where you can use IoT systems. Okay, so no need to. So any queries up till now? IoT, what are the scope, what are the applications, how to develop the IoT based products, how to start, already we have discussed. So any query regarding it? So next, what industry will expect from you? Next topic that I will discuss with, what are the industry expect from you if you get proper professional jobs? So these are the knowledge you require. Well, the first knowledge is depth knowledge of C, C++. Second, you require knowledge of microcontroller, 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit microcontroller, 32-bit microcontrollers. That embedded knowledge you must have, embedded C. That is called embedded C. Next knowledge is Linux, internals, how Linux OS will work. Linux operating systems, that you must know. Linux operating systems, what is process, what is thread, what is mutex. That concept is present in the Linux internals. If you want to apply in Google, in Qualcomm, so these are the basic, most important skill as an embedded software engineer or software engineers. Next, networking and communications. If you want to develop IoT-based product, then you must know what is networking concept, what is TCP/IP, what is IP address, what is socket programming. Socket programming concept you must know, TCP/IP knowledge. Then basic scripting knowledge, Python programming, shell scripting. Next one is programming processor 8-bit, 32 bits. Digital electronics, some basic knowledge of digital electronics. RTOS, for real-time operating systems, how we can insert the OS in microcontroller, how to use operating system functions, how we can develop RTOS-based multitasking applications, and you have aptitude knowledge and communication skill. This skill is required. If you have this skill, you will get higher package as well as your chance will increase for getting placement, as well as you can become entrepreneurs to start the project of industry. Readily you can get the project and you can apply all this knowledge. So you can complete project within time limit. Okay, so these are the skill which is required by industry. So these are the various sector where you can fit after having this much of knowledge. So these are the company, Intel, Qualcomm, AMD. So our students are already working in all these company, Intel, Qualcomm, and AMD as a SOC design engineers in AMD. Then BMW, Continental automobile company. You can also work in this company, BMW, Continental, oldest automobile company, Continental company, headquarters which is in Bangalore. So IT industry, textile, diamond industry, pharmaceutical, oil and gas, steel industry, fabrication, food processing, Balaji Wafers, food processing industry, agriculture sector, drone. So drone is also one example of agriculture, drone industry, then chemical and process industry. You can use this IoT based device, and whatever requirement is there, that you have to write your logic and install that product in the all this type of industries. Okay, so these are the another reputed company where you can fit SanDisk, Toshiba, UST Global, American Megatrend. All these companies are present in India. American Megatrends, then Amperes, so Ultron, L&T. L&T is also having one embedded divisions. L&T also manufacturing PLC, IoT based product. So lots of requirement in L&T also. So the Xilinx, Sony, Tata Elxsi, so all are the multinational company where you can fit after having the knowledge of whatever things I have seen given. You can also see in LinkedIn ID. So they will what skill you require that listed. So all this skill, whatever mentioned, that is present. Entry level. Uh, in our center also we have running this whatever skill I have mentioned. That skill program also we are running training program of 6 month durations. Those who are interested, they can register, and we are giving a training of 6 months, and we are giving offering 100% placement in professional companies. Okay, so I have a Facebook page, then a LinkedIn page. You can search on it, and we have a website also, cdxsurat.com. So you can visit it, and if you are interested, you can join this course, and you will get 100% placement in reputed companies. So whatever topic I mentioned that we will cover during this session. And if you want to become entrepreneurs, then select project which is useful for society. Whatever project you develop during your study time, you have to develop that project which is meaningful and which can be used in society. So this is the first step for entrepreneur. Next, take participation in various national and international events. Okay, so today we have a 11 or 12 your technical festivals. So take participation and apply your logic and try to solve that quiz. Okay, so this is the main important things. Okay, so take request all of you to take participation in technical events and apply your logics and try to solve the problems. So this is the another step for entrepreneurship. And next one is take visit of national and international events. Every year, international and national event is happening. So Robocon events. Robocon is handled by IIT Bombay. This Robocon is every year conducted Robocons. So some task is given that you have to implement in hardware. And there is a competition of state level, then one team from country, then Asia level events. So all the cost is bear by government of India. તમારે ત્યાં ફોરેનમાં જવા માટે પણ કોઈ અહીંયા વિન થાવ તો તમને ફોરેનમાં પણ લઈ જવું રોબોકોન ઇવેન્ટ. So try on Google Robocon events. So try to participate in this event also. And E-Yantra events, IIT Bombay, E-Yantra. Try to participate in this event. And National Expo, Automation Expo is happening every year. Industry 4.0. So you will see various IoT-based products in this expo. So in March, there is IoT-based events, Internet of Things. January, Prakti Maidan, New Delhi. So try to visit this expo and see various products related to IoTs. So another expo is Electronica Expo. Every year it is conducted. Suppose in this year, this expo is in Delhi, already completed. So I visited this expo. So one time, alternate is conducted in Delhi and alternate time it is conducted in Bangalore. So in this year it is Delhi. So next year, 2030, it is in Bangalore. So new technology is present, new product is present. Various multinational companies present from Singapore, Korea, China, Taiwan. So next, security, which is present, latest technology that I have seen in this expo, which is dynamic CVV. In ATM card, behind you have a CVV numbers. So this CVV number is dynamically changed once you purchase some product. After purchasing, CVV number is changed. So that is called dynamic CVV. So that security is added by ST Microelectronics. ST Microelectronics has developed this product, dynamic CVV. So battery is present inside card, but which is less power consumption battery. A long time it will remain. And display is present, 3-digit display inside your ATM card. A dynamic CVV concept. So it will provide more security to banking sectors. Okay, so last slide of this presentation is this is the practically implementable. If you see, I forgot. તમે જે જોયેલી વસ્તુઓ છે ભૂલાઈ જશે. પ્રોડક્ટ તમે જોયું હોય, હિયર આપણે કઈ વસ્તુ સાંભળેલી હશે 10 વર્ષ પછી અત્યારે હું જે કીધું છે 2-3 મહિના પછી ખ્યાલ નહીં હોય કે શું કરો આપણે વાત થઈ હતી. બરાબર, પણ ઇફ આઈ સી આઈ રિમેમ્બર. હવે તમે જોયેલું હશે, આપણે પેલા શું હતું ભાઈ, ઓનલાઈન સેશન થતા ત્યારે કોઈ વસ્તુ આપણે જોતા નહીં, તો મને યાદ ન હોય કે ભાઈ આ સર મને મળેલા વેબ સિરીઝ કરતા હોય ત્યારે. સો આઈ સી આઈ રિમેમ્બર, આપણે જોયેલું હશે તો આપણે યાદ છે આવું કઈ મેં જોયેલું. નેક્સ્ટ આઈ ડુ એન્ડ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ. હવે જ્યારે તમે આ પ્રેક્ટિકલી ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ કરશો જાતે, આઈઓટી બેઝ જે વસ્તુ મેં તમને બતાવી છે એ લઈને આ બધા સોફ્ટવેરની મેં તમને જે વાત કરી, જાતે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવા બેસશો તો તમને ક્યારેય ભૂલાશે નહીં. અને ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીમાં કે કોલેજમાં તમે પ્રોજેક્ટ સ્પીડમાં કામ કરી શકશો. એટલે આવી બધી ઇવેન્ટમાં તમારું વિન થઈને આવો. તમે જો પ્રેક્ટિસ ન કરી હોય, આઈ ડુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ, પ્રેક્ટિસ નહીં કરવાનું, આવી બધી ઇવેન્ટ થાય અને એમાં પાર્ટિસિપેશન કરો તો વિનિંગ થવાના ચાન્સ ઓછા હશે. પણ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરેલી હશે પછી આ બધી ઇવેન્ટમાં પાર્ટિસિપેશન તમે કરો, so your chance to become win is increasing 90% or 100%. So this is the formula that you remember and which is useful during your life till your life is end. જ્યાં સુધી તમારો લાઈફ એન્ડ નહીં થાય ત્યાં સુધી આ કામનું છે. ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો? So next, if you have any questions, then you can freely ask. અથવા કોઈ ક્વેરી હોય તો આપણું વેબસાઇટ છે, અમારો નંબર પણ છે. You can ask by calling me. ફોન પણ કરી શકો છો. You can join the LinkedIn page as well as Facebook page to get latest updated knowledge for informations.
Thank you very much, Rakholiya sir, for sparing his valuable time. And I hope that all of you, within an hour, it is not possible to explain all the things in detail, but you have the knowledge. What is the meaning of IoT, Internet of Things? Maybe final year students know, but fifth sem students came to know what is IoT. Okay, this is the industry for automation version, Internet of Things. So without internet, nothing. Nowadays, what is the importance of internet in a automation? That is explained well. And what are the future scope for IoT based industries? So for more detail, you can ask by social media to Rakholiya sir. Again, I thanks Rakholiya sir for sparing his valuable time. Thank you.
Last time તમારા ક્લાસમાંથી આપણે એક જણા તો ચાલો મને ઇન્ટર્નશિપમાં ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ હોય એક સેમેસ્ટરમાં